Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Lou Bortone from loubortone.com, and I wanted to invite you to a special free training this Friday, January 29th at noon Eastern, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's all about. The webinar is called Elevate Your Zoom Game, how to not look like a hostage video on camera, because let's face it, most folks when they're on Zoom look like some kind of hostage video, and it's how you look on camera really matters, especially if you're the presenter. And most Zoom meetings unfortunately do look like hostage videos, and an unprofessional background is an unprofessional brand. The point is, no one's going to take you seriously or buy from you if you look like a total schmuck on your Zoom. Fortunately, I'll show you how to look like a pro on camera and not a hostage. And luckily, in most cases, this is actually a really easy and affordable fix. So I'm going to talk to you this Friday about looking like a pro on Zoom. So we'll talk about what equipment to use. We'll talk about different kinds of backgrounds, including actual natural backgrounds. So I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, because there is a big difference. This is the bad, by the way, between a good Zoom background and a bad Zoom background. I'm going to go through a whole bunch of these because I follow this site or these folks on Twitter called Room Rater, and they actually rate people's backgrounds. But if you don't have a lovely background like Steve here or Anne, I'll also show you how to do vinyl backgrounds, green screen backgrounds, all that kind of stuff, so that you will look like a pro on camera. So join us this Friday. It's free Friday at noon, and we'll take a look at how to elevate your Zoom game. Hope to see you there.